One day a man was traveling in the desert when he felt extremely thirsty. He searched for water, but couldn't find any. After some time, he came across a well. The man went down to the well, drank water, and felt relieved. As he was coming back up, he saw a thirsty dog, panting and looking at him with longing eyes. The dog was also desperate for water, but there was no water source nearby. The man thought for a moment, then decided to help. He went back down to the well, filled his shoe with water, and brought it up to the dog. He carefully gave the water to the dog, who drank eagerly and was satisfied. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said about this act of kindness, Allah forgave him his sins because of this act of kindness.